Hi everyone. Today we have an amazing geometry question to solve. So let's get straight to the point. The question says you should find the area of the shaded portion. And please, this is not drawn to scale. Alright, the area of the shaded portion can be gotten, let AS, the area of the shaded portion, is equal to, let's call this A1 and this A2, okay? So it's equal to A1 plus A2, okay, is equal to the area of this rectangle, let's call it A rec, minus the area of this and this, that is A1 plus A2. All right, so in everything we are going to find the area of the rectangle, and then we get the area of the semicircle and the area of the quadrant, and we are done. But we cannot get the area of the rectangle because the height of the rectangle is not given. Okay, so because the breadth is not given, we cannot get its area. So we're going to try to manipulate this to get the area of the rectangle by trying to get the height of the rectangle. Now first, let the radius of the semicircle be equal to r. So we call this r the radius. That means from here to here is also r. Okay, being that ABCD is a rectangle, AB is equal to CD, okay? AB is equal to CD, which is equal to R plus R, which is 2R, right? Which is equal to 2R. So we can write that CD is 2R. All right. Now, it also means that the radius of the big or the quarter circle is 2R, because CD is equal to C here, okay? That is from C to this point, and they are all the radius of the quarter circle. All right. Now, remember the theorem that states that when two circles meet each other externally or internally, when you join the centers of these circles and their point of contact, okay, a straight line is formed. Now this is not drawn to scale, but we are going to drop a straight line to join here and here. Wherever I pick, this becomes our meeting point, okay, because this is not drawn to scale. So let us try to join them. So let's join the two centers together. So if we do that, you can see that we are not getting the center, okay, because this is not drawn to scale. So it means that this is the meeting point. This point is the meeting point of our circle, this point, okay? So let's call the meeting point O. All right, now remember that from here to here is the radius of the smaller circle, which is small r, and from here to here is the radius of the quarter circle, which is 2r. Yes, remember that the radius is 2r. Now this is a right angle, right? Let us draw out triangle CP. Let's call this point P, PBC, okay? So in triangle PBC, let us draw the triangle out. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please give us a thumbs up. Don't just watch and go, okay? Give us a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. So this is not drawn to scale, as you can see, okay? All right. So this is our P, this is our B, and this is our C, okay? So this is right angled, and BC is 8. BC is 8. Now PP is our small r, as you can see, and PC is small r plus capital plus 2r, small r plus 2 small r, okay? So using the Pythagorean theorem, we can see that r plus 2r is 3r, right? So 3r squared is equal to r squared plus 8 squared. Okay, now remember that ab squared is equal to a squared multiplied by b squared. So this is 3 squared, which is 9, multiplied by r squared, is equal to r squared plus 8 squared. Now let's transfer this to this side, okay? We have 9r squared minus r squared is equal to 8 squared. Now 9r squared minus r squared is 8r squared is equal to 64. Divide both sides by 8. So we have 8r squared is equal to 64. Divided by 8, divided by 8. So we have that r squared is equal to 8. Okay? So that is it. Now let's call this equation 1. It's very important. Now let us come to this side. Remember that we need a1 plus a2, right? So a1 plus a2, let's try to find it. a1 plus a2 is equal to, remember that a1 is a semicircle, so a1 is half pi r squared, okay, plus, now a2 is a quadrant, so a2 should be 1 over 4 pi. Now remember that the radius of our quadrant is 2r, okay, 2r squared. So we have a1 plus a2 is equal to pi r squared divided by 2 plus pi, 2 squared is 4, r squared divided by 4. So a1 plus a2 is equal to pi r squared divided by 2 plus, this will divide this, we have pi r squared over 1. Now if we solve this, a1 plus a2 is equal to, the LCM is 2, 2 divides 2 is 1, 1 times pi r squared is pi r squared. 1 divides 2 is 2, 2 times pi r squared is 2 pi r squared. So we have that a1 plus a2 is equal to, so this will give us 3 pi r squared divided by 2. But from our equation 1, r squared is equal to 8, okay? So we substitute it here. a1 plus a2 is equal to 3 pi 8 squared divided by, sorry, 8, r squared is 8, all right, divided by 2. Now, if we solve further, this is where we are, that a1 plus a2 is equal to 3 pi multiplied by 8 divided by 2. So when 2 divides this, we have 4. So a1 plus a2 is equal to 3 times 4, which is 12. So we have 12 pi. All right. Now, let us look at equation 1. So from equation 1, okay, we have that r squared is equal to 8. R squared is equal to 8. So it means that if we take square root of both sides, we have square root of r squared is equal to square root of 8. So when this removes this, we have r is equal to square root of 8 is same thing as 4 multiplied by 2. So r is equal to square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2. So r is equal to 2 root 2. And this is equation 2. Now, having gotten this, remember that the height of our rectangle can be gotten by multiplying r by 2, okay? So CD is equal to 2r, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 root 2, which is equal to 4 root 2. Now let's go ahead and find the area of the shaded portion, which is equal to area of the rectangle minus A1 plus A2. So area of the shaded portion is equal to, now area of the rectangle is length times breadth, right? Yeah, so it's going to be 8 times 2r, okay? So the length is 8 multiplied by 2r is 4 root 2 minus, now A1 plus A2 is 12 pi. So we have AS is equal to 8 times 4 is 32, 32 root 2 minus 12 pi. So if we solve this further, we are going to get that the shaded portion is approximately 7.55 units squared. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.